As a coastal community, the loss of codfish, wild salmon, and now the reductions in crab and other fish means our dependence on the ocean for needed protein is no longer sustainable. We're also concerned with the acidification of seas, the warming of the oceans, and the threatening collapse of the ocean's current. I hope that our UN negotiators are awakened people, conscious of the pollution of air and water. I hope they have a sincere desire to speak truth and put in place a definite and extensive plan with committed obligations. Mary from Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada.